Your Excellency, Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, all invited dignitaries, please permit me to stand on existing protocol. As a special occasion, on behalf of CCECC, I would like to highly appreciate the support from Mr. President to ensure the project coming into a reality. Also, our special thanks to the Honorable Minister of Transportation for your great efforts in this project. Also to the Chinese Embassy and the China Exim Bank for providing the funding. The State Governor of Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo, to all the staff of Ministry of Transportation and the NRC, as well as all the stakeholders and the individuals who have contributed in the capacity to make this project a success. Lagos-Ibadan Railway is the first double-line standard gauge railway in Africa. The completion of the project is indeed a landmark event in the transportation system. It will open up opportunities of trade and business along the line, create thousands of jobs directly and indirectly, and promote the overall development of Nigeria. 2021 marks 40 years since CCECC entered Nigeria in 1981. The past 40 years has witnessed the CCECC evolve into one of the leading construction and investment companies in Nigeria. In the future, we would continue to strive with Nigeria by providing quality infrastructure, promoting investment, and contributing to the economic and social development of Nigeria. Thank you.